Hi everyone, I've got a Mercedes B-Class here on a 58 plate 2008-2009. Just doing a service on this oil and oil filter. It took me a good 2-3 minutes to find out where the oil filter was on this. Now usually on the Mercedes somewhere around here area, or you got the cover, you remove it, it's just there. But on this one, it's right at the back, as you can see right at the bottom there. So all you need is an extension, long extension with a 27mm socket. You can't really see the socket, but it's a 27mm anyway, so you really don't need a special socket, but you can use this. And to undo it, it's just right there, as you can see. That's the filter housing, or filter housing on the back of the engine. That's all you got to do. Now that you know where it is, you can carry on with your service. Thank you very much. Goodbye.